Hi everyone, this is Arthur Miguel and I am here to share my 30 picks as we celebrate the release of my version of Your Universe by Rico Blanco for Warner Music Philippines 30th anniversary. Let's go!
Tell me something when I'm about to lose
I don't drink coffee po. Anything that is sad.
patiently hold
Um, Strawberries.
gently come
Stranger Things.
ooh,
Resident Evil.
tell me
Harry Styles.
when you're singing
Moira. Moira de la Torre. Nung basking ko sa Trinoma, may pumuntang senior tapos nagbigay siya sa akin ng letter na parang support OPM kahit anong generation, parang ganun. Siguro po if masyado kong delusional, Taylor Swift and Nikki Zefania. Recording in Baguio at the Cozy Cove, sobrang cozy. Tapos the people, I love the people, and kung sino yung mga tumugtog sa akin, I love them all. The Ordinary. Yun na yung natandaan ko, sorry. Kaya kong mag-try ng any hairstyle. As of now. Yun lang. Push mo lang yung gusto mong gawin, magpakasipag ka kahit wala kang napapala. Kasi at the end of the day, at least ginawa mo yung best mo. Yeah, always do your best. Oh, I have a recording and a photo studio. Kung hindi ikaw ang gusto, di ikaw ang gusto. Drink more water in the morning kasi guys, nakakatulong siya. Midnights kasi doon ako nagsusulat ng song. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang pero most of the artists na alam ko is overthinker. I don't know, basta I can do tequila shots ng sunod-sunod. Leaves, covered by Moira de la Torre. September 13, Nikki on Nicole Tour, and then hindi ko pa siya na-experience as of now pero nafe-feel ko na yung moment sa March 8, 2024, the Eras Tour, Taylor Swift. I wish I can do high notes. Pinaka-favorite ko is naging part ako ng project na to, and favorite ko din yung na marinig yung other artists sa mga versions ng songs nila. Pag nag-overthink ka, just read books. Starbucks na lang kasi yun lang ilagay kami. Siguro kahit saan ako mag-play na stage, basta yung audience is alam nila yung song ko and sumasabay sila sa song ko kasi as an artist, that's the best feeling for me. Just writing songs and sleep and watch movies. Actually, hindi po ako ma-celebrate ng tao pero dinner lang with family and friends, I'm good with that. TikTok trend ng ang wakas, nilalagyan nila ng caption like, kunwari, kung drain na drain ka, baka dati kang drainage. Yung mga ganun. That's so funny. For me, memorable moment is yung ma-meet ko sila and marinig ko silang lahat na kinakanta yung songs ko. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in again. This is Arthur Miguel and make sure to check out my cover of Your Universe by Rico Blanco. For more videos like this, subscribe to Warner Music Philippines YouTube channel.